Guys, the kind of thing that AI can do right now, okay, can put somebody in trouble. Don't believe everything that you see online. What I'm about to show you in this video is mind blowing. All right. Now, bear in mind that anything I'm showing you in this video or anything I'm teaching you in this video is only meant for educational purpose, not for any kind of illegal purpose. So make sure you use it positively and in a good way. All right. Now, this is me hugging Messi Eke when I have never ever met Messi Eke in my life. Now, not only that, this is also me kissing Hilda Bassi, our Nigerian chef that won Guinness Book of Records. All right, this is me kissing Hilda Bassi with AI. This Hilda Bassi, I have never met her for once. Now, guys, I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to do this. But please make sure you guys use this in a positive way, because most of the things that are coming up in AI that AI can do now can actually, you can use it to frame somebody up, or bad people can use it to frame somebody up or use it in a negative way. Please, guys, please, if you're watching this video, make sure you use it in a positive way. Don't use it in any kind of illegal manner. I am making this video only for educational purpose. But before we dive right into the main video, for those of you that are asking me how they can, change whatever, a pre-recorded video, a video that somebody recorded, okay? A video of a man or a woman saying a different thing in a different language, and you want the man or the woman to say anything that you want him or her to say. That same video, you want to convert that same video, lip sync, and make it say exactly whatever you want it to say, whether it's a written word or a recorded audio. You want the mouth to lip sync and say exactly that. Make sure you join my membership section of my YouTube, okay? Because I want to be giving out some huge information out in my membership section. This is my first membership. So if you want to know how you can make any video to say anything that you want in any language, please make sure you join my membership section. This is where I give out some very major important information, okay? Now, in case if you also want to know how to swap somebody's face with another person's face, whether it's black or whether it's white person, you want to swap a lady's face with another lady's face or a man's face with another man's face. These are all the information I give out in the membership section of my YouTube. So you can join my membership section, and on my membership section, that is where I communicate with people, go live online, so that we'll have one-on-one audio and visual video discussion. You can call me in and we can communicate via the membership section of my YouTube. All right. So right now we're going to dive right in, and I'm going to start with the first one, which is Messi AK. And I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this. First of all, what I did was I had to go to Google and download Messi AK, the person I want to use, Messi AK image, and Hilda Bassi image. This is Messi AK image that I downloaded. Okay, this is the image I used, and this is Hilda Bassi image. I downloaded some few images, but I just wanted to use the one I feel like. Okay, so when I downloaded the image, I'm going to use this for an example. Let me share with you guys what I did. I downloaded the image, then I also took a picture of myself, which is this. Okay? So what I did is when I downloaded Messi AK and hit the Bassi's image, this image was so small. So what I did was that I went to Google. Okay, first of all, I went to remove.bg, but that image wasn't that good. So image enhancer, that is where I went to. I had to open this in a new, okay, now upload this image. Like, this image is very small. I just want to share with you guys so that most of you guys that don't have any knowledge will understand. You guys can see that this image is very blurry. So I had to upscale this image. Okay, my free time in this website has finished. So I'm going to use another website. Just go to Google and type image enhancer. All right, now continue with this email, browse for image. Let me use this image. This image that I told you is very small. Upload this image. Let me still upload it in this website. Upload this image. Anyone that is faster, I will now use that one and download the enhanced image. Okay, so this one is done. Download for free. Okay, now this image is going to appear here again. Okay, this is the enhanced one. This is the one I downloaded. If you zoom it, you see that this image is very blurred. But if you look at this one now, you notice that this one is sharper because the platform has enhanced the image. Okay, then my own image is very okay. I don't need to do anything. The only thing I did in this image is that I opened it with Picture Manager and just change the color a little bit by going to Edit. Now go to Color. Okay, then I fine tune the color a little bit for the image to look closer to the basis on. Okay, now that's it. And after that, I change the contrast, just a little bit, and just saved it. And that's all, so that the picture will be enhanced. It will look close to the basis image. So these two pictures, I just want to show you guys how I was able to do it. So the next thing I did was I went to remove .bg and removed the background of these two images because I want these two images to be in the same background so that it will look real. So I put this one in remove.bg and it removed here the basis and background. I downloaded it and I also put mine as well. Okay, and it removed my own background as well so that I can get the PNG image of these two images so that I can be able to add these two images to one background in Photoshop, which is what I'm going to show you guys here. Now you can see mine has also been removed. Now if you go to, you can see the image download. You can see my own image. You can see here the Abasi's image as well. So you can also upscale this image and make this image bigger by going to Image Enhancer and uploading back these images in Image Enhancer and upscaling this image, making the image to be bigger, okay, before you start working on the image. So we're going to use this big one. This is how I was able to get the image that I used to do this magic. So this is how I got this image and also got this particular image. No, this one. These are the two images that I used. And this is how I got Messi AK's image as well. So now, once you have all these images cropped and enhanced, what I did next was to go to Google and download background. Okay. I went to Google and I typed background and I checked for the best background that I think that is going to suit the images house background. So I went to images and I choose something that is indoor. Now I downloaded the image, which is this. This is one of the images. And this is the second one, which I still took it to image enhancer and I enhanced it. And the next thing I did was to go to Photoshop and open Photoshop. Okay, Photoshop is already opened. Let me click on new. Okay, cancel, new. Okay, close this. I don't need this, close it. Let me show you how I got this image. For those of you, come over here and click on open this image, bring it in, bring this image in, bring this in, and bring this background in, bring this background in, and open all of them. Now, this is for, let's say, which one did I do? This is for Hilda Bassi. So I'm going to look for Hilda Bassi. Okay, let's start from Messi AK, drag Messi AK's own, put it right in here. Now go for my image, bring my own image right in here, drag it down right in here. Can scale it, holding shift button, and that's it. I'm a bit taller than Messi, okay. So I'm going to make myself taller, touch here, say okay, touch here, and make Messi, okay, a little bit taller. Okay, like this. This picture is okay. So, okay, apply. Now you can now save this image now. Okay, you can now save this image, save it as PNG. Let me turn it in and save it as PNG. That was how I was able to get this image, two of them in the same background. Okay, me and Messi. Okay, okay, and this is Hilda Bassi, the same thing that I did in Photoshop. Let's close this one. I'm not going to save it. This is the background. I dragged Hilda Bassi in, and I dragged myself in as well. Okay, Hilda Bassi seems to be here. Touched her picture, and then I reduced her as well. Okay, I can make it a little bit slim by shifting this. Now my own image, okay, my own image, I touched it small. Okay, I can still make myself a little bit bigger. However, this image is okay like this. So now I save this image, and this is how I was able to come up with this image, okay? Come up with this image. So I have this image, me and Hilda in the same background, and I have me and Messi in the same background. You guys should not forget that this is only meant for educational purpose, not for any kind of illegal purpose, right? And don't forget that in case if you would like to learn how to make any video to say whatever you want in any language that you want it to say, anything that you want, lip sync, whatever the person said in that video doesn't matter. You are going to make it to say whatever you want it to say in your own language with any kind of voice or any written words. Okay, is that a pre-recorded audio, man or woman voice, or anything that you write? You're going to make an existing video, a pre-recorded video, to say whatever you want it to say in any language. Join my YouTube membership section. I have it there. Once you join, the video is there, step by step, everything. Those of you that would still like to learn how to swap face, existing pre-recorded video, you want to swap the face to another face. The tutorial is also there as well. So let's proceed. So what I did was to come over to this website. You can see it, link.ai.com. I'm going to put the link in the description below this video for those of you that would like to access the link. What I did was to come over here. Let's go back to dashboard. This is where you're going to see, this is where you're going to see once you open this website. AI video, that is where you're going to be. So you can see text to video, come over here, image to video. Now we're going to do the Messier case on first. Click here, and you are going to double click this image and import it right inside here. Okay. This image, this image is here, me and Messier K. Come to prompt and write, make these two people to hug each other. That's all. Make this, okay, these two people to hug each other. All right? Passionately. Let me add passionately so that the hug will be. As I know hug mistake in real life now, make I use this AI hug her. All right. So you can scroll down if you want to put motion to it. You can add motion to it if you feel like, right? But I think if you want to add motion, you have to go to Link 1.0. Okay. Now come over here if you want to add motion. I think you have to drag. I don't know how to add motion, but okay, got it. Okay, track one. Let me say okay. Don't know how it's going to look, but let me just try and see if it's possible. But there's no okay button here. I don't know. The steps will clear all area. That's a certain history. Okay. So this image is here. So make these two people to hug each other passionately. All right. 10 seconds. Good. So this is going to take 35 credits. That's okay. So once you put your prompt, the next thing you need to do is just to click on generate. Once you click on generate, just allow this, just give this like few minutes, like 2-3 minutes, and it's going to do the work, and we are going to hug each other. I'm going to show you the output once I'm done, and after that, we're going to do Hilda Bass's own. I'm going to make Hilda Bass to kiss me, okay? So, but Meseke, I'm going to make Meseke to hug me. So now the AI platform is done with the magic, and let's see the outcome of this. Okay, let me download the video and let's go and see the video itself. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, so what I am going to do now is I am going to make these two people to hug each other passionately. Let me just remove the passionate there. Make these two people to hug each other. Friendly. Let me just leave the friendly hug. Let me regenerate this again and see what we are going to get. Okay. This is me and Hilda. To add that image, then double click on the image just to import the image right inside this platform. Okay. So prompt. So here is where you have to come and write, make these two images to, let me say, kiss each other. Okay, hit on generate. Let's try. So guys, this is the final output of the 3 videos that I created through this AI platform. Okay, this is the first one, which is the normal. This is the normal Meseke image. Okay, without passionate hug. This is just make these 2 images to hug each other. All right, so let's play it. So what I realized in this video, which is image that was converted on this platform to a video, me hugging Meseke, is while the video was turning, this image didn't resemble Meseke anymore. All right. So you guys can see this one. And this is the second one with passionate, where I put passionately, hug, make these 2 images to hug passionately. So let's play it. So you guys can see that even while this face was also turning, they resemble Meseke that well. Okay, if you look down here, you will see this did not resemble Mesieke's face. But Hilda Bass's own was actually quite very perfect. So let's take a look at Hilda Bass's image where I made myself my own image to kiss Hilda Bass's image. So this one looks quite very real. So you guys can see the good thing about this thing is even it made the image to, like, touch my jaw, stuff like that. I would like to hear from you guys. Tell me what you feel. How do you see this platform? And what else would you like me to create? What else would you like me to use this platform to do? Next, I would make another video because I realized that if the image is facing directly opposite the camera lens, it changes by the side. It will not really resemble that person. But I will try and use 2 images that is facing sideways. Okay, 2 images of me and someone facing sideways. Let's see how it's going to turn out. So In case if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asugha Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.